Just do it. Just do it. It's going to save you so many hours of your life. It's gonna make your plants so much happier. It's gonna make you happier, I promise. Hey everybody, I'm here on the patio at Groovy Plants Ranch. Today I'm gonna show you something that if you do it, it's gonna save hours and hours of your life. And when you actually do the math, it could be days of your life over the course of years. And that is building your own simple irrigation system with our Groovy Plants Ranch irrigation kit. For years, I have watched people use soaker hoses in their gardens and water all of the weeds in addition to the nice plants. And there is a much better way to water, and it is not difficult at all. Today, I'm gonna show you in a few very short, quick and easy steps how to use the Groovy Plants Ranch drip irrigation kit to build a very basic, very simple irrigation system for your planters and for freshly planted perennial garden beds. It's really, really simple. It's just a few pieces. First, you have your tube. This is the main supply line. You're gonna get 100 feet of tube. Second is this connector. This is what you'll hook up to your spigot. A bag of drippers. There's 30 drippers in here, meaning you could do up to 30 plants. Spaghetti tube, a crimp for closing your supply line, and a punch for your drippers. Step one is taking this piece and inserting it all the way down on that supply tube. It has a barbed fitting so it can't come off. Step two, connect your line to your spigot on your house. Step three, walk out the necessary amount of tubing to get to your planters. Step four, once you have the right amount of tube pulled out, go ahead and give it a cut. Step five, you're gonna use this simple crimp tool. You just put it down over one end, crimp the pipe, pull it back, and the pipe is crimped. So you need 5 drippers, one for each planter. This little awesome tool is perfect for these little drippers. You insert the dripper onto the end, and in near proximity to your planter, this is a barbed dripper. Just line it up over the tube and punch it in. Go to each of your plants and punch them in. Step 7, take your spaghetti tube and cut the desired lengths needed to go from the supply tube to each of your plants or planters. If you're doing in-ground planting, you may not need this tube at all. Step 8, very simple. You just push it on. These are the exact same materials I use at my own home. And this is through trial and error of trying all kinds of products. Now I'm gonna hide this pipe up behind my pots. Step 9, just insert those tubes into each one of your plants. If the tube is too long, you can cut it down. You do wanna push it down in the soil, kind of near the middle of the plant if you can. Off to the side is okay too, because that plant will pull the water throughout the root ball. Step 10, what do we do now? Turn on the water. Let it run for 20 minutes or however long it takes to water your plants in. And here you can see that steady flow of dripping water. Newly planted perennial gardens follow pretty much the same logic. The only difference is you want to weave your pipe between your newly planted plants. So I'm weaving the hose between them. Pop that little dripper right next to your plant. And now when the water runs, it'll drip right at the root zone of your plant. And your plants are gonna get watered effortlessly. Just turn your spigot on, let it run for 20 minutes. You can even get timers for this if you want to take it a step further. So once again, with the kit, you get 100 feet of hose, 100 feet of spaghetti tube, and all the supplies that you need to irrigate up to 30 plants. You will get hours of your life back every single year. Imagine if you got all of that time back over the course of just 1 week. So get your irrigation kits now. Our Groovy irrigation kit is available for pre-order and pickup. We don't know how popular these are gonna be, so there may be a 1 week wait time. We'll let you know. We really just want you to have success and to enjoy your plants, and we want your plants to look amazing.